Hey guys, this is Grayson and I'm gonna show you how to make a star sprite. It's a kind of paper airplane, so let's go to it. So you wanna have your paper horizontal. Fold it in half. Unfold. Fold this corner to almost the center line. It's either just fold it to the center line. Do it with the other side. Just a sec. So next you want to fold this to here. So you want to fold, like you actually want to fold this down here. So fold this side to the center line. Do it with the other side. Next, you're gonna fold this over here. So like this. Do the same thing. Next, you want to fold this down here. You're gonna fold it back up. Make sure you don't fold it back up like that. Fold it up like this so you can see some of the down folding. Next, fold in half. Fold down this wing. Keep the wing down until it's the end of the video. So do this, keep this wing down, then up. This wing, so fold up this winglet. Same with this side. And fold up this winglet, same on the side what you did with your first winglet, which is this one. Now fold up your wings, and here's your star sprite. Now I'm going to show you how it flies. I'm going to show you how these two fly. Now this one. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.